My name's Owen Kyte, and I'm a PE1 in the Regional 1 West program. Been working for CDOT for 5 years, and I was the project engineer on the resurfacing job on State Highway 93. On State Highway 93, I resurfaced the first 3 miles of the highway through Golden. We widened a section of the roadway, and we replaced one of the traffic signals. We also did some work to improve traffic flow and safety through intersections, updated guardrail, and various pedestrian facilities. And we worked on the project between April and November of 2023. The goal of the project was primarily to resurface the existing roadway. The primary thing we did was updating all curb ramps on the highway to meet current ADA standards. We also extended some sidewalk onto RTD bus pad and made some improvements at a multi-use trail.